Welcome back to DIY Sewing from Fabric. Today we are making a super handy and cute hanging organizer basket using simple fabric strips. It's the perfect scrap busting project for beginners and a great way to clear out your leftover fabric bin. Before we start, all the materials, tools, and recommended gear used in this video are listed with helpful links in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. If you love easy sewing hacks, hit that like button right now and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video. Look at how easily these colorful fabric strips come together. This little hanging basket is not only fun to make, but it's also extremely versatile. You can use it in the nursery for baby supplies, in the bathroom for skincare products, in the kitchen for small items, or right next to your sewing machine for scissors and rulers. Are you enjoying this tutorial so far? Leave a comment below and tell me what colors or fabric patterns you are using for your organizer. And if you want to master more beginner-friendly sewing projects, don't forget to check out our full beginner sewing playlist linked in the description below. I'm using 2 to 3 millimeters, 1/8 of an inch, stiff felt. It gives the basket a perfect shape without a frame. Here's a quick tip for selling your handmade items. You can sew these hanging baskets in matching sets of different sizes. They make wonderful, budget-friendly gifts that buyers love on Etsy, at craft fairs, or for holiday markets. And there you have it, a beautiful, practical hanging fabric organizer made entirely from leftover fabric strips. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to DIY Sewing from Fabric, and click the notification bell so you always get notified when a new tutorial drops. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you happy sewing, endless creativity, and a wonderful, peaceful day ahead. See you in the next video.